Installing bamboo wallpaper or panelling. In this video we provide you with a short guide on how to install our bamboo panelling. First, measure the full width and height of the area to be covered. Next, roll the panel into a tight bundle and bind as firmly as possible with a suitable strapping material such as pallet wrap or heavy-duty masking tape. Then, mark on your measurements with a soft pencil so you can remove them easily later. Next, cut the panel to size. To trim the height, use a fine-tooth saw blade suitable for wood. To cut the width, run a sharp craft knife in between two slats. We can cut your panels to your chosen height if you wish. Apply a suitable grab adhesive in thin lines across the entire surface. Use a tile adhesive spreader or squeegee to spread the glue evenly. Working from the top, from left to right, carefully line up the panelling. Smoothly and firmly press over the entire surface of panelling. Then, finally, take a slightly dampened cloth and clean up any excess glue around the edges or between the slats.